Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to install a crankshaft seal. This is, as you can see, this is the part number for the seal that I'm using. I'm using Fabi Bilstein parts. And this is what the seal looks like. So, what you need obviously the timing cover. Ideally you will have it flat on a bench if you have removed it. I removed mine because I'm doing a lot of work on the engine. I did spray it as well to protect aluminum, or aluminum as you call it in America, so it doesn't corrode. It's much easier to clean if there's any oil spillages or anything like that. So that's why I have mine off the car or off the engine. So I'm gonna place the seal here. I'm gonna use one of these bushings and just a mallet to tap it into place. So if you have yours in the car, obviously it's going to be a little bit more difficult but still manageable. It's quite an easy job. Just be careful and apply equal pressure on all sides if you don't have a bushing installation kit like in my case. So I'm going to get my tools ready. I'm going to put a tiny bit of lubricant here, just so it slides a bit better in place, and then we're going to get started. Okay, so in this case I'm going to use assembly lube. You can use whatever you think it's good for this purpose. This is what I have on hand and this is what I'm going to use. Some people use silicone grease, red grease, all sorts of lubricants, so it really doesn't matter as long as you don't go crazy. I'm just gonna, this is quite a sticky product, so I'm just gonna apply it on the outer edge, just a tiny bit. I'm not even gonna apply it the whole way around, so just on the outer edge. And place it on the timing chain cover. This is the bushing that I'm going to be using. And just to make it a bit easier, I'm going to use this in order to tap it. Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways of installing a crankshaft seal. The first one was the easy way if you don't have the proper bush installation kit. And this is the much better way, but obviously you have to have this kit. So get yourself an adjustable spanner, or two adjustable spanners, or two 27mm spanners. And basically what this will help you do is you're going to be able to install this flush with the casing. So this is, I had left it pretty much nearly flush, so this is now installed perfectly flush with the bottom timing chain cover. So this is a much easier and much better way of doing the job. So I hope you find this useful and get some knowledge out of it. Thank you very much and see you soon.